day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, won't back down. My lady's short
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, as you could see in my previous video in a live stream here from my listening room, a few days ago arrived this, I can say, a legendary East German bass speaker RFT L3702, 50 watts only, 50 watts real power if it will be produced nowadays anywhere on the Far East. They will ride there maybe 5,000 watts, so 50 watts, pretty nice speaker. I must say I love them. They were produced in 80s in East Germany. VEB Elektroakustik Leipzig, Kombinat Stern Radio Berlin. They were mounted originally in the huge Vermona Regent boxes. You can see sure some of these boxes also here on my YouTube channel, but this arrived separately. Yes, I have two important comments to the condition of this speaker. It's RFT L3702, 8 ohms, but if I try to measure the impedance, multimeter shows me 4 ohms, but this speaker looks originally that it was not repaired, so I don't know why. Mistake by the production, sure, I don't know why, but the cone or the coil, no scratches, nothing. The cone is in this level perfect, no tired the cone surrounding, but there is, you could see it at the beginning of this video, some very small damage here by the surrounding, and also some dirty. I must say I love these speakers, and my hi-fi friends use them also for building do-it-yourself hi-fi boxes. I love them. I love them like, the same like the huge Tesla speakers. So let's try it. The track number 3 from the YouTube library only regarding the copyright. So the sound is okay. So, and as it is usual, this speaker is for sale. You can find it later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page Bass Speakers. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel. And if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So have a nice day.